Right, let's get stuck in. Today, I'm introducing you to organomegaly and how to examine the abdomen, something every medical student needs in their toolkit. First things first, what is organomegaly? It's just a fancy term for when an organ like the liver, spleen, or kidneys gets bigger than it should. Spotting this can give you massive clues about what's going on with your patient. Now, onto the bread and butter, the abdominal exam. Always start with the basics. Wash your hands, introduce yourself, and check patient consent. Make sure they're lying flat, arms by their side, and the abdomen is exposed from the lower chest to the pelvis. This isn't just good manners, it's essential for a proper exam. Begin with inspection. Just have a careful look. Is the abdomen flat, distended, or does it move with breathing? Are there any scars, bruises, or visible pulsations? These can be vital clues. Next, let's move to palpation. Start with light palpation, checking for any tenderness or guarding. Then go deeper. This is where you might feel an enlarged organ. For the liver, start in the right iliac fossa and move upwards, feeling for the liver edge as the patient breathes in. For the spleen, start in the right iliac fossa again, but this time move towards the left costal margin. And don't forget the kidneys, they're best felt by balloting from behind and in front. It's a bit of a dance, but you'll get the hang of it. Percussion's next. This helps you work out where the organs are hiding. A dull sound where you'd expect tympany could mean something's enlarged or there's free fluid. And finally, auscultation. Stick your stethoscope on and listen for bowel sounds. Absent tinkling or rushing sounds all have different meanings, but we'll save that for another video. So that's a whistle-stop tour of examining for organomegaly. Practice makes perfect. Grab a mate or a mannequin and start now. You'll be surprised how quickly this becomes second nature. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and check out more clinical skills guides. See you in the next one.